Hey, what's up guys? MKBHD here. We're back at it again with another smartphone showdown. 2024 is here, and the tech scene is already buzzing with some seriously impressive new releases. Today, we're diving into the top 5 phones you need to check out in 2024. We're talking cutting-edge tech, next-level cameras, and some seriously sleek designs. Let's get started. Alright, kicking things off with a familiar face, the iPhone 14 Pro. Apple's still holding strong with this one, and for good reason. First off, the design. We've got that iconic iPhone aesthetic, premium materials, and that signature notch at the top of the display. But don't let the familiarity fool you. This phone packs some serious upgrades. Under the hood, the A16 Bionic chip is an absolute beast, delivering buttery smooth performance, whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just scrolling through your social feeds. And speaking of scrolling, the 120Hz ProMotion display is back and better than ever. It's super responsive, incredibly fluid, and makes everything on-screen look amazing. But let's be real, for a lot of you, the camera is the make-or-break feature, and the iPhone 14 Pro does not disappoint. Apple's really stepped up their game with the camera system on this one. We're talking a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. The photos and videos coming out of this thing are just stunning. The detail, the colors, the dynamic range, it's all top-notch. And of course, we can't forget about the software. iOS 17 is incredibly polished, intuitive, and seamlessly integrates with all your Apple devices. Plus, you know you're getting years of software updates with an iPhone. Overall, the iPhone 14 Pro is still a powerhouse in 2024. It's got the performance, the camera, and the software to keep up with the best of them. Next up, we're heading over to the Android side of things with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This phone is an absolute beast, packing some of the most impressive specs we've ever seen. Let's start with that display because it's truly something special. We're talking a massive 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This thing is bright, vibrant, and incredibly sharp. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or just browsing the web, the S23 Ultra's display is an absolute joy to look at. And of course, it wouldn't be a Samsung flagship without the S Pen. The S Pen is back and more responsive than ever. It's perfect for taking notes, sketching, or even controlling your phone remotely. Under the hood, the S23 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which delivers blazing fast performance and handles everything you throw at it with ease. And we can't forget about that camera system. The S23 Ultra boasts a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 10-megapixel telephoto, and another 10-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. This thing takes incredible photos and videos with stunning detail, vibrant colors, and impressive low-light performance. And with Samsung's One UI software overlay, you're getting a ton of customization options and features. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is a true powerhouse of a phone, offering top-of-the-line specs, an incredible display, and a versatile camera system. If you're looking for the best of the best in the Android world, the S23 Ultra is it. Chapter 3. Google Pixel 7, the AI powerhouse. Now, let's talk about a phone that's all about smarts and simplicity, the Google Pixel 7. Google's really hit its stride with the Pixel lineup, and the Pixel 7 is a testament to their commitment to delivering a clean, intuitive, and powerful Android experience. One of the biggest draws of the Pixel 7 is its camera. While it might not have the crazy megapixel count of some of the other phones on this list, the Pixel 7 consistently delivers some of the best image quality you'll find on a smartphone. Google's computational photography is truly next level, using AI and machine learning to enhance your photos and videos in ways that other phones just can't match. From the incredible portrait mode to the impressive night sight capabilities, the Pixel 7's camera is a joy to use. But the Pixel 7 is more than just a camera phone. It's powered by Google's own Tensor G2 processor, which delivers snappy performance and is optimized for Google's suite of apps and services. Speaking of software, the Pixel 7 runs on the latest version of Android, offering a clean, bloatware-free experience that's fast, fluid, and incredibly easy to use. And with Google Assistant baked right in, you've got a powerful virtual assistant at your fingertips, ready to help you with everything from setting reminders to controlling your smart home devices. The Pixel 7 is a fantastic option for anyone who values a clean software experience, a top-notch camera, and the power of Google's AI. Chapter 4. OnePlus 11, Speed and Value. Alright, moving on to a brand that's known for its never-settle attitude, OnePlus. The OnePlus 11 is a phone that packs a serious punch when it comes to performance and features, all while maintaining a surprisingly affordable price tag. Let's talk speed, because that's what OnePlus is all about. The OnePlus 11 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, the same chip you'll find in some of the most expensive phones on the market. This thing absolutely flies through everything, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just scrolling through your social feeds. And to keep up with all that power, the OnePlus 11 boasts some seriously fast charging capabilities. We're talking 100-watt wired charging, which can take your phone from 0 to 100% in about 25 minutes. That's insanely fast. But the OnePlus 11 isn't just about speed. It also features a beautiful 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering a smooth and responsive experience. And the camera system is no slouch either, with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 32-megapixel telephoto lens. OnePlus has always been about delivering flagship-level specs at a more accessible price, and the OnePlus 11 continues that tradition. If you're looking for a phone that's fast, powerful, and won't break the bank, the OnePlus 11 is definitely worth checking out. Chapter 5. Xiaomi Mi 13, Affordable Flagship. Last but not least, let's talk about a phone that's making waves in the affordable flagship space, the Xiaomi Mi 13. Xiaomi has been killing it lately with their phones, offering incredible value and impressive specs at prices that are hard to beat. The Mi 13 is no exception. It's got a sleek and stylish design with a premium look and feel that belies its price tag. And under the hood, it's packing some serious heat. We're talking the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, a beautiful 6.36-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and a versatile camera system that can hold its own against the best of them. Speaking of the camera, the Mi 13 features a triple camera setup on the back, with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. Xiaomi has been making some serious strides in the camera department lately, and the Mi 13 is a testament to that. It captures stunning photos and videos, with impressive detail, vibrant colors, and solid low-light performance. And with Xiaomi's MIUI software overlay, you're getting a ton of customization options and features to play with. The Xiaomi Mi 13 is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a flagship-level experience without the flagship-level price. It's a well-rounded phone that excels in all the key areas, making it a serious contender in the affordable flagship market. So, there you have it, guys. Those are my picks for the top 5 phones you need to check out in 2024. From the powerhouse performance of the iPhone 14 Pro and Galaxy S23 Ultra to the incredible camera capabilities of the Google Pixel 7 and the value-packed OnePlus 11 and Xiaomi Mi 13, there's a phone on this list for everyone. No matter what your needs or budget, 2024 is shaping up to be an incredible year for smartphones. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!